Hi everybody, this is David Herrera here with another video about ChromeOS. Now today we're going to be talking about keyboard shortcuts and how to find some built-in support located within ChromeOS. So first off, let's talk about how can I get some help in terms of using the operating system. Well, the nice thing is ChromeOS actually has a built-in help feature. If you open up the launcher on the bottom left, you'll be able to scroll down and find an application that is called Explore. Now, this Explore application actually has a bunch of different tutorials in terms of how to be able to use ChromeOS. So you'll see it gives you suggested articles for turning on Chromebook accessibility features, fixing connecting problems. But if you head over to the Help tab, you'll be able to see a bunch of different support options. Again, for device support, for managing your applications. Finally, if you're not sure where to find this information, just search it. If I need some help for files, I can type in files, and I get all sorts of articles in terms of how to use Google Drive files offline, keeping your files downloaded. Maybe I just needed to know how to open, save, or delete files. And it's going to give me very detailed instructions in terms of how to do that. Now, the other application that I want to show you is the keyboard shortcuts. There's another application in the launcher called Key Shortcuts. And this one is going to show me all the different shortcuts that exist within ChromeOS. And it goes from very common ones that are also located in Windows, such as Control-S for save, Control-P for print. But if you're not sure what the keyboard shortcut is to be able to kind of get my workflows to happen a little bit quicker, you can go into the Key Shortcuts application here. Now there's actually a shortcut for both of these applications that I just showed you. If I want to open the Help application, I'm going to click on the Everything button in my keyboard. That is the button that looks like a circle or a little magnifying glass. Press that and H at the same time. Think H for Help, and it's going to open up that Explore application with Help again. If I want to open up the keyboard shortcuts, it's going to be Control and the Everything key and S at the same time. So think about COS, Chrome OS. That's kind of how we can remember that keyboard shortcut. If you're having a hard time remembering that, they're both located within the launcher on the bottom left. Anyways, that is it from me for today. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more weekly videos about Chrome OS, Google Workspace, artificial intelligence, and any other topics about educational technology. Don't forget to connect with your TIPS members, well, if you're interested in any professional development for your school. Have an awesome day. Thank you very much.